Just imagine that pool cleaning is a thing of the past, because now you've got your own personal pool boy here in the AquaSense from Beatbot. This is a robotic, super smart pool cleaner. You got the main cleaner here itself. You open up the top, that gets you access there to the filter, and of course, you know, in there, this box, you're gonna take that out. It's got a bunch of the accessories and stuff in there. You can see the powerful jets here that help keep it down against the bottom of the pool and against the walls. And yes, it can climb the walls. Comes with a really rugged charger base, the retrieval hook in case you need. Here's the charging base. It's just that simple. And then after it's done, you're ready to go. Put this thing in the pool and you can relax. You can take it easy. And honestly, it's as easy as pressing the power button and just launching it. But if you want full control, they even have an app you can download to your phone that'll let you tell it exactly how to do it. All right, we're gonna speed things up. Off it goes as it sinks down there, and it's gonna go into its learning pattern, trying to figure out the pool, the shape of the pool, where everything is, where the walls are. This little robot really does take smart appliances to the next level. On top of that, it's got the performance to back it up. It has the tank style treads on it that allow it to navigate the pool, turn on a dime, literally, because, you know, just like a tank, it can rotate opposite treads, turn and go wherever it needs. It's got super powerful jets that pass through the body of the robot, allowing it to cling to the walls, climb all the way up, clean along the water line as well. It's extremely well made. I've looked at a lot of different tools and appliances for different kind of stuff, and you can always tell when you pick up an item that has been well designed. They've got not just brushes at the front, like I've seen a lot of these where they have brushes at the front, they push the dirt back, and then they're hoping that the vacuum at the back will grab it. Well, this has got brushes at the front and at the back, and they're independently operated, so there's technically 4 brushes in all that allow it to get more of the dirt, scoop it up. You're gonna see, I mean, honestly, this pool doesn't look in these shots that dirty. There was a lot more in there than you could actually see in just one, in one part of the video. The basket in this thing is just ridiculously full. This is, again, it's an incredibly smart, intelligent design. It uses we're gonna talk about the specs on the processing power here later in the video, but it puts like some of my older computers to shame. The level of technology, the AI design, of course, the app integration, all of that really leads to a device that makes your life that much easier. And let's talk real quick about some of its other features besides everything I've mentioned so far. Maybe I did, but it's cordless, just in case you missed that. Completely battery operated. It will clean, I know I'm showing in-ground here, but it will clean in-ground as well as above-ground pools, which is really nice. I used to have an 18-foot above-ground pool that this would have been awesome to toss in there. It cleans the floor, it cleans the walls, and it will clean along the water line as well. It has 3 brushless motors in it. They pump 5,500 gallons per hour, 10 minutes of water line parking so that it can sit there and be easily retrieved. If after that 10 minutes, you can always use the hook there to retrieve it attached to, you know, a pool pole. And as I said, there's a lot more dirt and debris in your pool than you probably think. And there you can see the finished product for yourself. That is one spotless pool ready for the summer. You know what's awesome? Having your own pool. You know what's not quite as much fun? Cleaning that pool. We're talking about the AquaSense here. Well, they're quite a machine. 4 brushes on this, fine filtration. 305 millimeter cleaning path on it. This one will do up to 2,260 square feet, 3.5 hours of continuous cordless cleaning on a single charge. Yes, these are rechargeable. Yes, they're cordless. And you can it comes with a built-in, get this, a quad processor, 1.8 gigahertz with 15 sensors. It's funny because I was just chatting with a buddy of mine about our original Commodore computers and stuff, and I can't even imagine having a 1.8 gigahertz processor in my pool cleaner, like launching the space shuttle, but in your pool. Anyway, just unreasonable amounts of processing power. And they kind of need it because the kind of pathing and stuff that they do with these is really extraordinary. For wall cleaning, and yeah, this thing will climb the wall. I know there's a spouse joke in there. Anyway, it does it with an N-shaped cleaning design. So as you see, it goes straight up, comes down, then it comes over at an angle, comes up, and that's how it makes sure that it covers every inch of your wall. And somehow, I guess it's part of that processing power, it can sense the water line and it knows when it's trying to climb out of the pool. As far as the pathing, it goes through an S path to do the bottom of the pool, back and forth, back and forth. It learns and maps your pool. The first time you toss it in, it's gonna act a little crazy. It's like, it's gonna go over here and it's gonna go over there. It's learning, and the longer it cleans your pool, the smarter it gets, because it finds all the nooks and crannies and gets more efficient as it goes. That's the kind of thing with these AI kind of programs, is they learn and they just keep getting better. Well, there you saw it. You saw what all it can do. Now, this is the Beatbot AquaSense as we were talking about right now. List price is $1,299. It's on sale right now, $200 off. So that's going to take it down to basically $1,100. And now the thing with this one is, it'll do all the stuff we talked about, 3.5 hours continuous cleaning on a 6,700 milliamp hour battery, and it comes with everything you need to get started. Anyway, thanks to Beatbot for sponsoring this video. I love this kind of technology. I love seeing what, for honestly a very reasonable sum, if you think about it, basically for just over $1,000, you can get rid of your pool cleaning service and just have this sucker go to town. You just, you charge it, you walk out, you grab it, you just toss it in the pool. Really, you don't have to think much about it. It just does everything you want. If you want to change stuff, you can pick up, where's my phone? You can pick up your app. You can go right in there. You can say, oh, I want it to do it this way. I want it to do just the surface. I want it to do just the walls. You can control the way your pool gets cleaned. Make sure that your pool is always ready for when you want to use it. That's all we got for you today. You all take care, God bless, and as always, shine on.